In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Logitech MX Master 3S. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you all of the ways in which you will be able to set up and use your Logitech MX Master 3S mouse. You will be able to use it on most devices, either through a cable or wirelessly, whatever you prefer. So when you unbox the Logitech MX Master 3S, you will find the included USB-A to USB-C cable that is used for charging, or if you want to use it through a wired connection, and also the USB wireless receiver. So first, if you want to use it wired, all that you have to do is plug one end of the USB-A to USB-C cable into your computer, laptop, or whatever device it is that you are using the mouse on, and then the USB-C end into the mouse itself. As soon as this is done, it is going to be entirely usable. The drivers will be automatically downloaded and you are good to go. It is plug and play essentially. You can download the Logitech Options Plus software to customize a lot of settings about the mouse, but it is optional. If you want to use a mouse wirelessly, all that you have to do is make sure that the toggle at the bottom of the mouse is set to the on position, and you can use a wireless dongle. So plug the dongle into any of the available USB ports where you are using the mouse, and once again, it is going to be entirely usable. The mouse is going to automatically connect itself to the dongle, and you will be able to use it wirelessly as long as it has sufficient battery. The battery on the Master 3S lasts a while, so you don't have to worry. Finally, you can also do the exact same steps but over Bluetooth instead. So instead of using the wireless receiver, once again, check to see if it is set to the powered on position at the bottom of the mouse and press and hold the easy switch button for around 3 seconds. The LEDs will start blinking rapidly, indicating that the mouse is now in pairing mode. So if you go over to the Bluetooth settings on any device and you look under the available devices, you will be able to find the Logitech MX Master 3S to be connected over Bluetooth. And once again, it will be completely usable. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Logitech MX Master 3S. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.